So seeing the dollar actually drop down and Bitcoin pop up just in unison like this is exciting.
Correlation or causation?
It's hedging.
Thank you, Don. I saw the disdain in your voice. It's hedging, you idiot. Okay, go.
Yeah. So unfortunately, if the big people start getting in and this is the top for the dollar, there probably won't be a Bitcoin to 10,000 thing, which Bank of America did give us that heads up. They said,
hold on. Hold on. Can you repeat that?
I
just didn't hear you. I wasn't paying attention. I was busy with my pinky up and my mimosa. Can you?
Oh, you're not right either. We're not going down. We're not going to this far.
Can you just repeat that one more time? That's
I'm gonna repeat it. I'll be worded a little different so you can understand. Bitcoin won't go to 12,000. What Bitcoin won't go to is 12,000. Let me show you real quick. You said Bitcoin to 12.
I said above it.
Yeah, but every time we talk about it, we're not even going to break this blue zone right here.
Don, God, dog, man, I shook you, boy. You are shook right now, Don. You're rattled.
Yeah, thanks for
Thou art shook.
No, it's very interesting to see because I was so confident that Bitcoin going down and this not being the bottom. I don't want to like prematurely say it. Bitcoin's still largely just sideways. We can look at the screen and kind of no reason to get excited just yet. That's still just sideways. But if this is the top for the dollar, then that does all change.
Yes.
In my opinion, I think.
I'm with you on that, by the way.
Just to show off. So there's a couple other zones to talk about with the dollar. I think when we hit this, that's the bottom of like the stock market and all that. Like we go sideways, maybe there's a bear market rally. Then we remember there's all the bad stuff going on. Markets go down, dollar pops up one more time.
Yep.
That's kind of how I see that panning out. If this breaks, it's going to be an absolute cluster. There'd be no place to hide on that one. But I'm super pumped for the dollar to come down. That's like my number one indicator right now for stocks, crypto, and Forex, which I'm actually short the dollar right now, which is turning out to be an amazing morning.
Yes. See, it's a great morning for everybody, even Don.
You think a lot of people are just waiting to make sure that their liquid, investments can be safely put into Bitcoin and know that it's going to be the best scoop? You think that's probably the hold up?
That's going to come with regulation, I think. I think there's a lot of people that probably wouldn't mind getting it. There's people that just won't invest until there's regulation. They don't care about the Wild West. And they're not worried like we like it because we're going to catch that hype before they all flood in. It's like people that wouldn't have touched Tesla because it was too crazy. But now that it's in the S&P, they don't mind it. They view it as a safer investment. And so as a trader, we took advantage of that huge run in Tesla because we knew everyone was going to start buying in after. And that's kind of where crypto stands is you're going to front run the risk. You get the reward for it. But, I think regulation's coming. And then at that point, people will start to invest in it, which will, again, more buyers and sellers will push that thing up. So
agreed. Hey, Don, I heard you say that you shorted the dollar. Was that because of the interest rate releases on Wednesday, or what was going on with that? Why'd you do that?
Hit that zone.
That's all it is. Seriously, that's it.
Yeah, it's just we hit the top of this zone right here. And I actually went long the Euro USD last night, which was like the smallest of them. So still just a zone play. And then the US CAD was the one that surprised me. This one jumped off.
Wow.
Yeah. This one I'd gotten in a little bit earlier and just it tagged out. And then I got in right here. It tagged out. I was like, I'll give it one more time, thinking like maybe low or high. And then this morning it just went for it. So like we were just kind of grinding down. I got in right here, and then just had my stop in place, and then I should have added on.
Well done. Well done. And by the way, everyone, do your own research. It's great to see someone who's done this for a while in action. And if it's something that interests you, join at Don Franz Show and learn from him.
Yeah.
It's great.